Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is NOTP, that is National Organ Transplant Program. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Government of India is implementing National Organ Transplant Program or NOTP to promote organ donation and transplantation across all states and union territories. Recently, a national level tissue bank has been established at National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization or NOTTO, New Delhi under NOTP, that is National Organ Transplant Program. National level tissue bank is a biomaterial center that will store tissues. Under the NOTP, a provision has also been made to provide financial support to the states for setting up a biomaterial center. Under this program, the following centers have been established so far: National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization or NOTTO at New Delhi, 5 regional organ and tissue transplant organizations or ROTTOs, and 14 state organ and tissue transplant organizations or SOTTOs. Now let's have a look at the objectives of NOTP. Objectives of National Organ Transplant Program or NOTP are as follows: to promote information, education and communication, that is IEC activities, to promote awareness on organ donation, to maintain the National Organ and Tissue Donation and Transplant Registry, to provide transplant facilities at a subsidized cost in government hospitals, to support and provide financial assistance for training, and lastly, to disseminate relevant information about organ donation to the public by organizations like NOTTO, ROTTO and SOTTO. Now moving towards the provisions under NOTP. Provisions under NOTP are as follows: setting up of state organ and tissue transplant organizations, that is SOTTOs, in each state and union territory, setting up of national or regional or state biomaterial centers, financial support for establishing new organ transplant or retrieval facilities and strengthening of existing organ transplant or retrieval facilities, training to transplant experts including surgeons, physicians, transplant coordinators, etc., financial support for hiring of transplant coordinators to medical colleges and trauma centers, and post-transplant immune suppressant drugs to below poverty line, that is BPL patients. Now let's learn about organ donation and transplantation. Organ donation means giving a part of body or organ to a person whose organ has failed, and transplantation is the act of surgically removing an organ from an organ donor and placing it to another person whose organ has failed. Now lastly, the practice question. Recently, a national level tissue bank for storing tissues has been established in which of the following cities? A. New Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Jaipur or D. Dehradun? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.